Have you ever felt this? Someone asks you, "So what do you do?" And you don't know what to say. Not because you do nothing, but because you do too many things. You learn design, you explore technology, you like psychology, you start new skills again and again. And then you think, why can't I be normal like others? What if I tell you, nothing is wrong with you? Since childhood, we hear one message again and again. Choose one thing. Focus on one skill. Don't change your path. People who follow one straight road are praised, but your mind never liked straight roads. Your curiosity moved in many directions, so people called you confused, unfocused, distracted. But the truth is simple. Your mind works differently. In the past, the world was slow. Jobs didn't change much. Skills stayed useful for years. So if you became very good at one thing, you were safe. That's why specialists succeeded. But that world is gone. Today, everything changes fast. New technology, new jobs, new rules. What worked yesterday may fail tomorrow. In this kind of world, one skill is risky. One identity is fragile, and people who can learn fast and adapt become powerful. That's where you come in. You don't just learn skills, you connect ideas. Something you learn in one field helps you understand another field. A design idea helps you solve a tech problem. A psychology idea helps you communicate better. A story helps you explain complex things. Most people can't do this, but you can. Now listen carefully. Having many interests is a gift, only if you use it right. Trying to do everything at the same time creates stress and anxiety. You feel lost because nothing feels solid. The solution is simple. Don't choose one thing for life. Choose one thing for now. Focus on one skill for a season, 6 months, 1 year, maybe more. Build it until you feel confident. Then move to the next interest. This is not quitting. This is smart growth. Machines are good at doing one task very fast, but they can't understand human emotions deeply, mix ideas from different worlds, decide what really matters. People who connect ideas will always be needed. Your mind is built for that. Your mind creates many ideas, but if you don't save them, they disappear. Write them down. Notes, apps, simple notebooks. Later, when you need them, those ideas will connect like magic. So, if you always felt scattered, different, or misunderstood, maybe you were never broken. Maybe you were preparing. The world doesn't need only specialists anymore. It needs people who can connect everything. And that might be you. If this video made sense to you, subscribe. This channel is for curious minds like yours.